Hey guys, it's harvest time. Come on, let's go to pomegranate tree. These beauties have been waiting all summer. Can't wait to pick them. Look at that color, so fresh, so perfect. Nature really knows how to paint, doesn't it? Each one feels like a little ruby straight from the tree. We cover the fruits to keep squirrels away, but we always leave a few open. Gotta share the sweetness, right? They love their pomegranate treats too. The first bowl is already full and the tree is still loaded. I think this year's harvest is gonna be epic. Grateful for this harvest, this sunshine, and all this sweetness nature gives back. Then your backyard turns into a mini orchard. This bowl is getting heavy. I think I need at least 2 more bowls. Who need a supermarket when your backyard's this generous? Four big bowls of pure backyard love. Hope you enjoyed this harvest with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more backyard harvests. Thanks for watching.